Yes, good morning students. Welcome you all in the class of mathematics. I hope you are all well and doing your studies. Okay? And it is the first video for this week where I will explain the chapter 5 exponents. Okay? And first we will understand the concept of base and exponent. And together they are forming the exponential form of a number. Okay, then after that we have to see how to convert a rational number into its exponential form, and then the next type of question is how to convert the exponential form number into its corresponding rational number. Okay, and then at the last we will see the comparison between the exponential form numbers, that means which number is greater and which number is smaller. Okay, so let's start. And here students, you can see the chapter number 5 exponents I have written. So first understand that what does this term means, exponents. Okay, so by this way we can understand 4, if suppose that 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Now you can see how many times I have written here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times I have written. So that means the 4 is repeated 5 times in multiplication. So you will give the power 4 to the power 5. 4 to the power 5. And this 5 you can say it is exponent also. And this form of writing a number is known as exponential form. Okay, same way if you are writing 3 into 3, so you have written 2 times 3 into 3, so you will give 2 powers only, 3 to the power 2, and its exact value in rational number or in whole number, its value is 9 only. But this form 3 square is known as the exponential form. Exponential form. Okay, next, that similarly we can multiply many numbers, but all the numbers should be same only here. Okay, then only you can give the power. Here you can see if I have written here 4 to the power 5, 4 to the power 5 written, this 4 is the base here. This you can say this 4 is base, and this 5 is exponent. Okay, this 5, the power is known as exponent also, and upon which the power is given, that number is base, and the whole term, this is known as exponential form. Is it clear? Now the next point is here. Yes, now the next point is that some examples here, that is 2 by 7 into 2 by 7 into 2 by 7. So it is multiplied 3 times. It is a repeated multiplication of 2 by 7, and it is 3 times. So you will give the power 2 by 7 to the power 3. So here 2 by 7 is the base and 3 is the exponent. Okay, this you can say this is base, and this one 3 is the exponent or power, you can say. And this form is known as exponential form. Okay students, next we will see some numbers. Yes, next you have to see this only, that write the given rational numbers in power notation, means exponential notation. How to write the numbers in power notation? So if number is given 25 by 36, first you will prime factorize 25, you will get 5 into 5, and 36 you will prime factorize, then 36 you will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this you can say it is 2 square and it is 3 square. Okay, so ultimately I will tell the formula of exponential. You can take these 2 power common because both the number have same power. So you can write that 2 into 3, and this 2 power you can take common because both the number have same power here. So you will write that number is 2 into 3 to the power 2. That means 6 square. So anyhow you have to convert in such number where the numerator and denominator have the same power. So 5 square, now it is 6 square. In some, it is not mandatory only that they have the same power. If the numerator and denominator have different power, then the common power you cannot take in the result. But here we can take the common power. We can write that it is 5 by 6 to the power 2. These two power you can take common. So this way we can write any rational number as exponential form number into exponential form number. Same way, if the number is written this only 49 by 64, after prime factorization and combining them to get the same power, on numerator and denominator, you will get that 49 is 7 into 7, and this after prime factorization first you will do, then you will do with prime factors only, but after combining the prime factors at the last you will get 8 into 8. So that is what? 7 by 8 to the power 7 square by 8 square. You can write 7 square by 8 square. So this result is 7 by 8 whole square. Okay students, so this you can see that. Yes, now some more numbers to express in power notation, that I am giving minus 32 by 243. So this we will prime factorize this. Prime factorization, we are knowing that how to prime factorize that. So you will get that minus 2 into minus 2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. That means you have to multiply 5 times, and the denominator here it is repeated multiplication of 3, 5 times 3 into 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can write that minus 2 to the power 5, and here 3 to the power 5. Now this 5 you can take common, and then you can write that minus 2 by 3 to the whole power 5. Okay, so this way we can represent such number also after prime factorization into exponential form. First you will prime factorize this 32. After that 243. You will cut that 2 into 16 time, 2 into 8 time, then 2 into 4 time, 2 into 2, and then at the last 2 into 1. Total 5 times 2 is coming over here. Okay, so this way you can do. Yes, now one more question I am showing you that number is, if number is given minus 1 by 64, minus 1 by 64, this you are writing. Then how to do this? This you can write minus 1. First you will see the denominator, that what it is becoming. You know that this is the cube of 4, 4 into 4 into 4. This we can write, and this you can write minus 1 into, it has other exponential form also. The given number has, this number has other exponential form also. We can write this 2 to the power 6 also, because 2 to the power 5 is 32. Then if you will give 6 power to 2, then that is equals to 64 only. So this you can write minus 1 to the power 3 by 4 to the power 3 here. So this is minus 1 by 4 upon 3. You can say minus 1 by 4 to the power 3. So this way we can convert such number also in exponential form. It has other exponential form also. You can write that minus 1 to the power 5, but that will be not, because it is the numerator is negative here. And if you will give 2 to the power 6 power, then common power you cannot take. So for common power, this only you can say that this way we can convert into exponential form for the common power. Because here you will do 2 to the power 6, 64 you can write. But this minus 1 to the power 6 you cannot write, because minus 1 to the power 6 is 1 here. Okay? So yes, now expressing exponential form number as a rational number, that we will see. So if number you have got this 2 by 5 to the power 3 here. So you have to convert it into rational number. So first you will do this 3 power, you will take on numerator and denominator both. That is 2 upon 3 you can say, and that 5 upon 3. 2 to the power 3 by 5 to the power 3. Then you can write down this 2 into 2 into 2, and then it is 5 into 5 into 5. So result you will get, it is 8 by 125. Okay, the result you will get 8 by 125, and this is a rational number. So you have converted exponential form number into rational number. Such way only, this way we can convert other numbers also, such as if the number is written this minus 13 by 11, minus 13 by 11, and power here, power is 2 here, minus 13 by 11 is the base. Then you will write this number as, because 2 power given here, so you can write that minus 13 by 11 into minus 13 by 11. So numerators will multiply here, then minus 13 into minus 13, and outside 11 into 11. So you will get, it is 169. Here minus into minus, sign multiply, plus it is, and 11 into 11, 121. So this is answer here. This way you can convert, following this process you can convert any exponential form number into rational number. Here 169 by 121 is a rational number. Okay students, now comparison of rational numbers, exponential form numbers, sorry. So now we will see comparing exponential form numbers. Okay, this is topic comparing exponential number form number. So if number is given 5 square, and for that here you have to write greater than or less than symbol, and it is written 2 to the power 5. Here 5 to the power 2, and here 2 to the power 5. So for this nothing is the specific rule. You have to find the value of these expressions, convert them. This 5 square, you can write that 5 into 5, it is 2500, and this 2 to the power 5 you will write 2 into 2, 5 times you will multiply 2 with itself only, result you will get 32. Result is 32. So that's why this way this is greater. 2 to the power 5 is greater. So such way you can compare any exponential form number by finding its value. If the number is given negative, base is given negative, then you will multiply all the negative numbers bases with itself depending upon what is the power given here. Okay. If the number here given minus 5 to the power square, then here also you will multiply minus 5 into minus 5. Number you will get plus 25, and here minus 2 to the power 5. Then think that it is becoming minus 2, all will multiply, then you will get the result in that case. If the number is minus 2, you will get minus 32. Okay, and this is 25. If this number I have written minus 5 whole square, minus 5 whole square, so this is 25, minus into minus plus, and it is minus 32, then in that case this number is greater. Okay, so now you will do the homework, that R.S. Agrawal exercise 5A question number 1, 2, 3 and exercise 13.1 from NCERT question number 2 and 4. Thank you all of you.